presence to teach the students of class 9th Literature and English from the textbook Beehive, chapter 2. The poem is Wind by Subramanya Bharati. In this poem, Wind, the poet likes to convey that we should have great and strong determination to face the challenges of life. Life imposes several challenges, obstacles, but we should have strong determination and iron determination to face it, to confront all these things which appear before us. We must be knowing in fact Darwin's theory that it is survival of the fittest. The one who faces challenges and so that he or she springs off with flying colors. Similarly, the wind here is personified as God. When it comes, it destroys the weak ones, the weak things, the man-made things. But the things which are strong can face it. So we should not bow before it, but be mentally and physically fit to face these things. You see the poem here? Wind comes softly. Don't break the surface of the windows. Don't scatter the papers. Don't throw down the books on the shelf. There, look what you did. You threw them all down. You tore the pages of the book. You brought rain again. You are very clever at poking fun at weaklings, frail, crumbling houses, crumbling doors, crumbling rafters, crumbling wood, crumbling bodies, crumbling lives, crumbling hearts. This is a part of the poem. Because of the want of the space, I've just written a few lines. The other part will be written in the next class. Okay, here the poet, addressing the wind, asks the wind to please be soft, be gentle while blowing. Don't break the shutters of the windows, and you are breaking so violently that you are breaking the surface of the windows. You have scattered the papers. Don't throw down the books on the shelf, the books which are on the shelf, because of your speed. You are very violent here. The books are thrown from the shelf. There, look what you did. You threw them all. You have thrown everything all. You tore the pages of the books. Even because of your balance, the pages are torn apart. You brought rain again. So now adding fuel to the fire, not only is the wind, the storm, but even it has started raining. You are very clever at poking fun. Poking fun means tease someone. Weakling means too weak to face any problems. Frail means weak. Crumbling, destroying. So wind while you are blowing, you are very clever. You are just making fun of the weak people. The weak houses are being destroyed. The doors are being thrown away. The rafters are being moved away. woods, bodies, all these things. So you are creating a devastation and havoc while coming on earth. So weak are unable to face the challenge. So they are being washed away.